Hi, this is Deepak Jacob Thomas. Welcome to my channel djthomasedu-world.net. Let's begin the Excel trick 002. I'll be starting with this session of transpose. What exactly the transpose does is it causes two or more data to exchange the places. The transpose data returns a vertical range of cells as a horizontal range or a vice versa. Let's see how the transpose functions in Excel. Here in Excel I'll be explaining two different types of transpose methods. I have data here. I need to shift the row to the column and also the column value to the row. That is vice versa. I can use the transpose method 1 of transpose. Just select the active cells which you want, Control C, click on any of the active cells, right click, give paste special and click on transpose and give OK. Here what happens is that the row value is converted to the column or switch to the column position. Likewise, the position or the details of the column is shifted to the row position. This is one method of doing transpose. Let's see the method 2 of doing transpose. Say that just count the number of columns, it's 5, and the number of rows, it's 6. So I need 6 columns and 5 rows. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 and 5 rows. 2, 3, 4 and 5. Now I'll just type equals transpose. It asks the array. Select the data, close the bracket. Before that, giving enter, you have to perform one small task, that is control plus shift plus enter. Now when we perform control plus shift plus enter, what happens is that the value of the row is changed the position to column. Likewise, the column values is change its position to the rows. Here the one advantage is that with the second method of transpose, the initial transpose value, say there is any value, I'll just go for 250. I'll convert it to 100. What happens is that it automatically changes the value at place where the transpose is done. Why? Because in the second method we use a transpose equation, wherein the first method of transpose does not contain this. Hence second method is much preferred while doing transpose. Say that further you need to change any data, you can go to the origin set of value and say enter. Say 227 is here, I'll just change the value to 100. It will change automatically to 100 in this active cells. This is how we can use second method of doing transpose. This completes the session of transpose. Thank you for viewing my channel. Hope you liked the video